Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark in Power BI and use it as a default button. This is the PBI file. So I have a pie chart here and also have some slicer. I've just created this data set visualization for this demo. So now let's say I want some selection. So whenever I do some selection, I need this to be my default. So let's say I've made 5 selection in slicer. So now I want to bookmark this selection. So what I'm going to do is go to insert. Oh, sorry, I need to go to the view and then click on bookmarks. So you can see a new pane opens to your right. And then I'm going to add, this is my new bookmark. So I can rename it as something like default underscore bookmark. I'll name it as default underscore BM. And then maybe I can update as well. So now I have created my bookmark. I can close this now. So now if you want to use this as a bookmark, let me clear selection. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a button. I'll use a blank button for this example. This is my new button here. And now I'll go to the visualization. And now I can click on action, turn this on and expand the, and then I want to use it as a type bookmark. Select bookmark. So here I'm going to select the newly created bookmark, default bookmark. Okay, so this is how I add the new bookmark, and then I can give some title to this button. So I'll call it as default. Okay. So I'm calling it as default, and I can okay, I don't want the title. I don't want the title, but I want the button text. Button text, I'll call it as default. Let me reduce the size bit and let me make it as white color. Font color is dim color, so white. And then can I change the background color? Fill, and I will fill it with blue. Okay, this is good. And I can change the text to Arial black and increase the font size. String some error. Increase the font size. Okay. And then place it to the top somewhere here as a default button. And now if I want to go back to my previous selection, which I created as a default, I can just select this one. You can see it's working. So let me remove this again. And I want to go to my default selection, that is like the first 5 records. I can just click on this, Control plus click, and it works. This is how we create a bookmark and modify it to use like a default button. You can use it like a clear all or something like that. That's about bookmark and the buttons. Thanks for watching this short video. Have a great day.